Hey guys, if you drive a 2017 to 2023 Ford F-150 or Super Duty with trailer tow mirrors, listen up. There's been a lot of talk lately about some frustrating mirror issues. There's a dealer notice out there called SSM 51829, NHTSA ID 102-40719. It's not a recall, and it's not even an official technical bulletin, but it affects a lot of us. So, what's actually going wrong with these mirrors? Owners are reporting a bunch of different problems. Some mirrors won't fold in or out at all, or they get stuck halfway. Others make loud clicking or grinding noises when you try to move them. Sometimes the power adjustment stops working, or the mirror glass won't heat up or defrost. In a few cases, the puddle lights or turn signals in the mirror stop working too. These issues can be caused by a few things. Water can get inside the mirror housing, leading to corrosion or electrical faults. Wiring harnesses might get pinched or damaged, especially if the mirror is folded in and out a lot. Over time, the gears and motors inside the mirror can wear out, causing mechanical failures or those weird noises. Sometimes dirt and debris just build up and jam the folding mechanism. But instead of a free fix, Ford's telling dealers to clean and carefully inspect the mirrors first, following some updated steps. They want to rule out simple stuff like dirt or minor obstructions before replacing anything. If they don't spot an actual manufacturing defect, like a broken part or clear electrical failure, you're probably not getting a free replacement. Most issues, according to Ford, are caused by driver damage, like hitting something with the mirror or forcing it to fold manually, and that means you're likely footing the bill. Now, this SSM isn't public like a recall. You won't get a notice in the mail. It's just for dealers. You might see labor code 17,682ZZ or 17,682ZZT on your paperwork if you take your truck in. Online, the forums are buzzing with complaints. Owners are frustrated that the mirrors fail so soon, especially on newer trucks. The most common gripes are about the mirrors refusing to fold, making grinding noises, or the power functions just dying out of nowhere. Some people say the problem started after a heavy rain or car wash, hinting at water getting inside. Others mention the mirrors feel loose or wobbly after a while. Dealers often just clean the mirror and send you on your way, or they say it's not covered. That's left a lot of owners looking for their own solutions. If cleaning doesn't help, you're probably looking at a pricey mirror replacement. Some folks online have tried DIY fixes, like opening up the mirror to dry it out, lubricating the gears, or repairing broken wires. A few have even swapped out the motors themselves, but it's not an easy job. So if your tow mirror's acting up, try a thorough cleaning and see if that helps. Check for any obvious damage and make sure the wiring isn't pinched or corroded. If not, be ready for a dealer visit, and possibly a repair bill. If you're handy, you might try some of the DIY tips from the forums, but be careful not to void your warranty. Did this help clear things up? If you've had mirror problems, let us know what happened, and if you found a fix. Smash that like button, subscribe for more Ford tips, and drop any mirror stories or DIY fixes down in the comments. I read them all.